I have some bad news. Our Workspace Bootcamp is changing and it's actually going away. The bootcamp we're running next week for Google Workspace Basics is the last live training we're going to run in this format until it actually becomes exclusive to concierge members, and it's going to disappear for good. Now, why are we changing this? Well, because we want to make something a little bit different for you, our public audience, but most importantly, we are saving the good stuff for our customers. And so if you're interested in joining our bootcamp, this is the absolute very last chance that you have to get access to it in this format. After next week, it's basically going to disappear and we're going to come up with something new to share with you. Now, you might be interested to know what is actually in the bootcamp, what's going to be in there if you decide to join. Well, we've got a pretty amazing platform and an amazing course that we've run for a number of months now. And inside that bootcamp, it's just 2 half days that we run. And in those 2 half days, we take you through all of the basics that you need to know to really master Google Workspace. Now, we've worked with over 5,000 businesses over nearly 15 years of consulting in itGenius. And we've seen just about everything there is to see inside the Google Workspace ecosystem. And we are global experts in helping small business owners get the most out of the platform. But time and time again, small business owners come to us and they have Workspace set up. Maybe you've set it up yourself. Maybe you've set it up with a web developer, or maybe you signed up for Wix or Squarespace and you clicked one button and signed up for Workspace, but you didn't know how to kind of configure it because maybe you're not an IT expert, or maybe you didn't have time to read the manual. And we find that most people don't have permissions set up correctly. Their Google Drive is a mess. When they're onboarding and offboarding staff, it's cumbersome and it takes lots of time. Maybe you've got old staff still in your account because you're saving their data and you don't want to delete their accounts in case you lose something. All of those problems we solve inside the bootcamp. And not only do we teach you how to do it, you actually implement it in the room as well. Now, that's why it's 2 half days, because it's actually a technical workshop. It's not just a training where you go and learn and take notes and then forget to implement it, or get back to your business and get busy and never get it done. It's actually something where you get it done inside the room. And that's why we recommend you bring your team as well. So if you're a business owner, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're a leader in a business who's responsible for operations or responsible for the technology, maybe you're even an IT manager, this is a good fit for not only you, but also some of your operations team as well. This is a technical course aimed at business owners and IT administrators for the absolute basics of Google Workspace. And we cover things like how to set up mail delegation so people inside your business can share and access each other's mailboxes, how to configure group-based permissions inside Google Drive and manage your shared drives correctly, how to make sure all of your security settings are correct so you don't run into the risk of having accounts compromised with any of your team. And also, we make sure that your basics of file organization and hierarchy in things like your Chrome policies and your administration panel structure are all set up correctly. And it's easy enough to follow along in the room. And we even have some of our technical consultants available. So if you miss anything or you have trouble implementing it as we're going along, you actually have technical consultants who will be there with you and support you along the way. This is an amazing program, and every single person we've taken through it has given us an amazing score on the feedback forms. Our average score are 9 out of 10, which is pretty darn good for a Net Promoter Score. If you're interested in joining, this is your last chance. It's happening within the next week. So click on the link down below. It's right below this video. It is a friendly time zone for Australia and the US. You can also join if you're from the UK or European region as well. But we would love to see you there, and I hope to catch you next week.